What is good? So I am gonna be talking about Sibu seed berry therapy. This is seed berry seed oil and rescue for problematic skin. This product actually is organic. All I can say is good things about it. It's just that I haven't been really consistent on it to really give too many details about it. But I will say, the times where I had dry skin due to the medication I had on my face, it dried my skin out completely, like really bad. This is when I kind of like used different products when I had to start using medication again. And lotion helped, but like an hour or two my skin will be dry again, I guess due to like the weather. And my skin tends to dry really quickly like in the winter time, so especially due to medication. I use this and it did help my skin out a lot. Like I will see like the dryness underneath it, like my skin will soak it up, and the dry skin that was on my face, it did remove easily. Like when I washed my face, it kind of just brushed off and it just came off on my face. So I would give it that. I was scared because it smelled, like it had a fragrance in it. I think it does, but I was like, okay, it's organic, so it shouldn't be harsh on my skin. And I didn't have any like breakouts or anything from it. It's just, you just gotta be careful, especially when you sleep with this, because I slept with it at night and I slept on my back so my pillows when I won't get any oil on it. But some of the things I looked up where it can help you with acne, which I did not know that, eczema, and it helps restore damaged skin to its natural, beautiful state. So, like I said, I really don't have too much of a bad thing to say about this oil. This oil is omega-7 powerhouse. Imagine its neutral profile. So, yeah, and the environment of the Himalaya highlands provide you with unmatched health and beauty benefits. So yeah, that's one of the reasons why I understand why it is organic. And so it just tells you how to use this product. So you see it contains 100% therapeutic grade organic sea berry, and that's pretty much just telling you like to go further research on it if you're like, okay, what is that? You know what I'm saying? And certified organic, and they have their own company and they have other products as well. So it's not like, this is the only thing they got. And so what it's from, where it harvested at, acts quickly, readily absorbed. It did, but still it's oil, so I didn't know like, okay, what was it gonna do. Now I can tell you the story about when my mom used this. She has eczema, so she said this helped out her skin. It's just a little pricey. I mean, you're messing with something organic, it's gonna have a price to it, but she said it worked for her skin really well. So, and then she noticed that like my skin was dry, and she was like, go and apply this on it. If I can unscrew this top. But she applied this on her skin when about to wear eczema, and it helped her out. Like, it didn't break her out any. It didn't inflame her skin any. But let me go ahead and try to unscrew this top so you can see like what it looks like. Well, got some on my hand. I'm going to rub that on my hand. And like you can see, so that's why I was kind of like skeptical, like how was it gonna look. And my hands are dry due to being so cold. But that's how it looks on my skin. And then this is what it looks like when you unscrew the bottom, when you apply it on your skin. T. Okay. So there you go. That's what it looks like. I mean, even though it's small, sometimes what they say about small products, like it's potent. Some people say like it's potent. So that's probably why it's small, but and it's pricey, but it's worth it. I have no bad complaints about this at all, and I did not notice that my skin was inflamed. Some of the other benefits from this is that it helps accelerate the healing process, promotes tissue repair and regeneration, helps repair damaged skin and sun damage. I should put that on my hands. It's medication. Sometimes with the sun exposure, my hands, it turns a little bit. Effective at diminishing acne and stopping breakouts. Calms and soothes red, bumpy, inflamed skin. So definitely try this out. Just go ahead and try it out, please. Sea berry therapy, sea berry seed oil.